Let's lace up together and get rolling. Okay, this is all about us getting reacquainted with our skates. So, placing your hands on the ground behind you, you're just gonna straighten out one leg. Rolling, bending that knee, straightening the other leg. Taking nice deep breaths, feeling your heart expand towards the sky. Feeling your shoulders roll back and down. Moving at your own pace and your own breath as you shift side to side. Taking note of your toes, feeling them open up. Good job bringing both feet together, or legs, bending both of your knees together, and expanding out and gently lean back, giving yourself enough space to lean back, of course. Feeling your belly button come in towards your spine, keeping your core nice and tight. Great job. Now we're going to bring our arms up towards the sky. Forward fold, bringing your heart center towards your legs, not locking your knees, but bringing a nice bend to your knees. As you forward fold towards your skate, you can stop anywhere that feels good for you. Taking nice deep breaths in. Feeling your hamstrings begin to relax. You can shift your body side to side. Gently bending your knees. Feeling a wonderful pull in your lower back. Job slowly walking your hands up.